Welcome to English Listening Practice. Today, we're going to focus on essential phrases for asking questions about your hotel room. Let's get started. Is the room ready now? Is the room ready now? Is the room ready now? Do you have any available rooms? Do you have any available rooms? Do you have any available rooms? Is there a double room available? Is there a double room available? Is there a double room available? Can I see the room first? Can I see the room first? Can I see the room first? How much is a room per night? How much is a room per night? How much is a room per night? Is breakfast included in the price? Is breakfast included in the price? Is breakfast included in the price? Is there a charge for parking? Is there a charge for parking? Is there a charge for parking? Is there a TV in the room? Is there a TV in the room? Is there a TV in the room? Do you have rooms with a view? Do you have rooms with a view? Do you have rooms with a view? Are there any non-smoking rooms? Are there any non-smoking rooms? Are there any non-smoking rooms? Which floor is my room on? Which floor is my room on? Which floor is my room on? Is my room near the elevator? Is my room near the elevator? Is my room near the elevator? Is there free Wi-Fi in the room? Is there free Wi-Fi in the room? Is there free Wi-Fi in the room? Do you have room service? Do you have room service? Do you have room service? Can I get extra towels? Can I get extra towels? Can I get extra towels? Can I have an extra bed? Can I have an extra bed? Can I have an extra bed? Is there air conditioning in the room? Is there air conditioning in the room? Is there air conditioning in the room? Is there a minibar in the room? Is there a minibar in the room? Is there a minibar in the room? Is there a mini fridge in the room? Is there a mini fridge in the room? Is there a mini fridge in the room? Is there a safe in the room? Is there a safe in the room? Is there a safe in the room? Can I change my room? Can I change my room? Can I change my room? I need more pillows. I need more pillows. I need more pillows. Is there an iron and ironing board? Is there an iron and ironing board? Is there an iron and ironing board? Is there a hairdryer in the room? Is there a hairdryer in the room? Is there a hairdryer in the room? Do you provide toiletries? Do you provide toiletries? Do you provide toiletries?
Hi, is breakfast included in the room rate?
Yes, it is. Breakfast is served from 7 in the morning to 10 in the dining area on the first floor.
Thank you. Hi, is breakfast included in the room rate?
Yes, it is. Breakfast is served from 7 in the morning to 10 in the dining area on the first floor.
Thank you.
Excuse me, can I ask a question about my room?
Of course. How can I help you?
Does my room have a hairdryer?
Yes, there's a hairdryer in the bathroom.
And is there a mini fridge?
Yes, all our rooms have mini fridges.
Perfect, thank you. Excuse me, can I ask a question about my room?
Of course. How can I help you?
Does my room have a hairdryer?
Yes, there's a hairdryer in the bathroom.
And is there a mini fridge?
Yes, all our rooms have mini fridges.
Perfect, thank you.
Hi, I have a question about room service.
Sure, what do you need?
Can I get my room cleaned now?
Of course. What's your room number?
It's 204.
I'll send someone right away.
Thank you very much. Hi, I have a question about room service.
Sure, what do you need?
Can I get my room cleaned now?
Of course. What's your room number?
It's 204.
I'll send someone right away.
Thank you very much. Hi, I need some information.
Sure, what would you like to know?
Do you have a gym?
Yes, we do. It's on the second floor.
Is it open 24 hours?
No, it's open from 6 in the morning to 10 at night.
Got it, thanks. Hi, I need some information.
Sure, what would you like to know?
Do you have a gym?
Yes, we do. It's on the second floor.
Is it open 24 hours?
No, it's open from 6 in the morning to 10 at night.
Got it, thanks.
Excuse me, can I get some extra towels?
Of course. How many do you need?
Just 2 more, please.
No problem. I'll have them sent to your room right away.
Thank you very much. Excuse me, can I get some extra towels?
Of course. How many do you need?
Just 2 more, please.
No problem. I'll have them sent to your room right away.
Thank you very much. Excuse me, I have a few questions about my room.
Sure, how can I help you?
Is there Wi-Fi in the room?
Yes, there is. The network name and password are on the information card in your room.
Great. Also, how do I use the air conditioning?
There's a remote control on the nightstand. You can adjust the temperature and fan speed with it.
Okay, and one more thing. Do you provide room service?
Yes, we do. There's a menu in your room and you can call the number listed to order.
Thanks. That's all I needed to know.
You're welcome. If you need anything else, feel free to ask.
Excuse me, I have a few questions about my room.
Sure, how can I help you?
Is there Wi-Fi in the room?
Yes, there is. The network name and password are on the information card in your room.
Great. Also, how do I use the air conditioning?
There's a remote control on the nightstand. You can adjust the temperature and fan speed with it.
Okay, and one more thing. Do you provide room service?
Yes, we do. There's a menu in your room and you can call the number listed to order.
Thanks. That's all I needed to know.
You're welcome. If you need anything else, feel free to ask.
That's all for today. We hope you enjoyed the lesson and feel more confident with these phrases. Keep practicing and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.